While many counties in the Bay Area have seen a lot of success improving their COVID metrics, some are having more difficulty.
Solano County, for instance, it was one of the last counties in the Bay Area to enter the orange tier, and it's still in it. Ground 4's Amanda Harry spoke with the Solano County health officer about how things are going ahead of next week's full reopening.
Solano County just entered the orange tier at the beginning of June, about a month after some counties entered the yellow tier, and they still have some work left to go.
To us, this is an ongoing project. It doesn't end until we've vaccinated everyone who wants vaccine.
I spoke to Solano County Health Officer Bela Matias at the beginning of May. Then he wasn't sure if the county would ever make it to the red tier. Now he's seeing improvement.
So overall, COVID in Solano County has come down quite a bit in terms of the level of illness.
He says Solano County is very diverse, bridging the San Francisco and Sacramento areas. And in some ways, that has made it more challenging.
Our populations are tracking identically with the Bay Area populations. The difference is we have a different mix of populations. We have more young people. We have a lot more non-white, non-Asians in Solano than San Francisco or Marin. And we have a lot more people that describe themselves as conservative.
So the health department is trying to meet people where they are.
Working through ambassadors to help us reach into the Latinx Hispanic community, into the Black and African American community. We've been going to churches. We've been going to farms directly. We've been going to manufacturing businesses.
Despite only having about 65% of people with their first dose, he says he's not concerned about the June 15th reopening. He says that will impact businesses, but that's not where they're seeing the most spread. He says people are contracting the disease in small group settings.
Those people who are unvaccinated, who are sick and get together with unvaccinated people, that's how the disease spreads.
He says the county is going to continue to educate people who are hesitant about the vaccine and vaccinate new groups like children once the vaccine is approved for them. He wants to remind people, even with the reopening, the virus is still present.
It's important to remember that the disease hasn't gone away, and we have to learn how to live safely with it. And for those people who choose not to be vaccinated, they do need to keep using the tools of social distancing and wearing masks.
Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.